Before I get going today, I want to wish a happy Labor Day. No matter what you have planned, whether you're puttering around the house or having some friends over for a cookout, I knew today's recipe had to be sort of labor-free. So let me show you how to whip up a fresh tasting salsa that goes together in no time. We start by chopping 3 tomatoes. You could do this in a food processor, but since I like my salsa chunky, I think it's best to cut them with a knife. Now we mix these with some finely chopped onion, a bit of chopped jalapeno, a couple of tablespoons of cilantro, a little bit of garlic, a touch of salt, which brings out the flavor, the juice of a lime, and a dash or 2 of hot pepper sauce, depending on how spicy you like it. After mixing this up, we'll pop it in the fridge to let all the flavors come together. Now it's ready to put out with a bowl of tortilla chips for a fresh tasting way to start any meal. Or how about topping your burgers and dogs with it? To get the recipe for our fresh chunky salsa, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an almost laborless way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.